How you doing, everybody? Dan Higgins here from Astroworld Telescope, and welcome to Astro Explained, your 2-minute or more possible solution for all things astro. So welcome to the show, and today what we're going to be talking about is something that a lot of beginners struggle with. I already own a telescope. Can I image with it? And if I can, what can I do to improve or get things a little bit better with the process? So before we get kind of crazy, let's get right into it, and welcome to Astro Explained. So you already own a telescope, and now you're wondering the most dangerous question. Can I take pictures with this thing? Well, the answer is probably yes, but before you start having a personal collection of precise parts adapters, let's talk about what kind of imaging your telescope is actually good at. The moon? Well, almost any telescope can start there. Planets like Jupiter and Saturn are also very doable, especially with longer focal lengths like Schmidt's, Maksutovs, and Dobsonians. Deep sky objects like galaxies and nebula, well, that's where things get a little bit more demanding. It's not impossible, just less point and click and more why am I stars shaped like noodles. Now here's the big beginner surprise. For deep sky imaging, your mount actually matters more than the telescope. Your telescope collects the light, but your mount has to track the sky smoothly while the Earth is rotating underneath you. If the mount can't track well, your stars will trail no matter how nice your telescope is. So before upgrading the scope, check the mount. If you have a Dobsonian, start with the moon and planets. If you have a Schmidt-Cassegrain or Maksutov, lunar and planetary imaging are great places to begin, and you can even start to explore EAA. If you have a small refractor on a tracking mount, you might already have one of the easiest setups for beginner deep sky imaging. And if you have a Newtonian, it can work very well, but you'll want to check in on focus travel, collimation, and whether you actually need a coma correction. You don't need to build a full robotic observatory on night one. Start with the moon. Try a phone adapter. Try a DSLR if you already own one. Capture something simple. Learn focus, learn tracking, and then upgrade one piece at a time. That first fuzzy moonshot or gray smudge of a nebula, that's not failure. That's only the beginning. So yes, you probably can image with the telescope you already own. The trick is choosing the right target and knowing what your setup is capable of doing. I wrote a full blog post on this exact topic over at Astroworld Telescopes. Check it out. And if you're not sure what camera, what mount, filter, or adapter makes sense for your telescope, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you sort it out before you buy the wrong thing twice. So that's it for now, and until next time on Astro Explained, keep imaging and observing, keep educating, and clear skies, and we'll see you next time on Astro Explained.